Good morning. Here, today's topic is strong nuclear force. You might have heard this term, strong nuclear force. You know that in nature there are total of four fundamental forces. Four, okay? Strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force, electromagnetic force, and the force of gravitation, means gravitational force. So these four forces are called fundamental forces of nature. Okay. So today's topic is the first one, that is strong nuclear force. This force is a short range force. That means what? Meaning is that this force acts within a very short distance. Okay. The distance is 1 to 3 femtometers. 1 to 3. Okay. From 1 to 3 femtometers. Femtometers. You know femtometers. 1 femtometer in short, this is written 1 femtometer, this is short form of femtometer is FM. This is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay, let me check whether this is visible or not. There is problem of light here. Okay, it is visible. So 1 femtometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So the force means here I am talking about strong nuclear force. This force acts within this range. Outside this range, this force diminishes rapidly. So in case of larger distances or larger scales, okay, this force you won't observe at all. There is no existence of this force at larger scales. But within this very short range, you will get the existence of this force. So experimentally we have found this force inside the nucleus of an atom. You know that protons are positively charged, and according to Coulomb's law, the similar charges repel each other, means there you will find repulsive force. Electrons are of negative charge, protons are of positive charge, so any two protons should repel each other due to that Coulomb's force or electromagnetic force, okay? They should repel each other. But we have observed experimentally that within the nucleus, protons are bound together. So how this is possible? So both theoretically and experimentally it has been found that the cause of that binding force, there must be some binding force, otherwise how this is possible? Since a repulsive force is present, so how they are binding together? Okay. So answer to this question is presence of this force, strong nuclear force. This force overpowers the force of repulsion. Okay, this force, strong nuclear force, overpowers the repulsive force, and that's why it is possible to bind them together using that force. Okay, to bind them together, they means here what? Protons, neutrons. Okay. So this is the reason of cohesive force. So what happens? We know that protons, neutrons, these are made up of quarks. So there is exchange of particles called gluons. Okay, exchange of gluons take place. Exchange of gluons takes place inside the between two quarks. Exchange of gluons takes place between two quarks, and this exchange of gluons, this creates the this strong nuclear force. Okay. In electromagnetism, you have seen that particles are charged particles, either negatively charged or positively charged. Similarly, here quarks are charged, but not negative or positive. These are called color charges. Color charge. The subject in which this is studied or theory in which this is studied is called what? Quantum chromodynamics. Quantum chromodynamics, in that subject or in that theory, this is discussed. Okay, this is discussed in these color charges. This is discussed. So my aim was to give you an idea about this strong nuclear force. Okay, so what we have got here, that exchange of gluons between the quarks creates this strong force, strong nuclear force. Okay, and due to the presence of this force, the protons, neutrons, etc., they can reside inside a small place instead of a repulsive force present over there. Okay, that means this force is greater than the force of repulsion. That's why this force overcomes the force of repulsion. Okay, anyway, so I think this will be the end of this lecture. This was all about strong nuclear force. Okay, in this channel, YouTube channel, Shreman Dipasha Sciences, that is the name of this channel. Here you will find mostly different topics on physics, and beside this you will get an overall idea about the subject of biology, chemistry, mathematics, etc. Okay, so if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, and of course press the bell icon. The reason for this is known to you. Okay, thank you for watching this video.